welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we shall be recycling or upcycling these strong bow coasters. I rescued this from the refuse dump from recycling, and we shall turn them into an accordion learning cards. So let's grab our papers and start thinking about what to do with them. So let's see. I don't want my accordion learning card to be too chunky, so I'll be working with 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Let's think of how to put them together. So I think I shall be doing a hinge binding, and I shall be using some papers and some PVA glue. This is your usual A4 papers. I'll be cutting them down to size to use for our hinge binding. Now let's see what's the length. I think they're the same. It's a perfect square. So this is 9 inches. So we're going to measure 9 inches from here. We are looking for. Now I'm going to cut this into 2. So here we have our hinges. I have my glue stick. You can pick this from your local store, and I'm going to apply a generous amount of glue stick on my papers. So add a lot of glue coasters, lay them side by side. I'm going to be starting with one of them. Okay, so, and I'm going to take the second one like that and place it here, making sure they are the same length. So that's one set on. Take another set of coaster like that. Here we go. So here, and this glue can be here, so put them together. Now we have 3 together. That's our last one. And now we are done putting them together. So I'm going to further reinforce this side I'm going to be covering it up with my music notes now, but that's still okay. So this on this side, on that side. I'm using some white PVA glue. That looks okay. So we've covered the one side. Now let's deal with the other side. We're going to reinforce all the joints simply by sticking down some tape, more tape to the next one. Quite right. Turn that one, and okay, on that one. That. Okay, and this comes like that, and this over. Oops, that one broke. We'll need to fix it, and another. So this is what our accordion journal is looking like at the moment. Initially, we were going to make accordion flash learning cards, but I decided to make it into a journal. So we're getting closer, and these are our signatures. I'm going to go on to construct our journal cover. We're going to measure and cut our journal cover. We want it slightly bigger than our signatures. So I'm going to quickly cover this in some glue and place it somewhere here. Nice and flat. I'll move them a bit just so that there's enough space. Going to be my front page. So how do we stick our cover on? We're just going to be applying a lot of glue like that. I've gotten my glue, and I'm going to apply a lot of glue before I put this on. Now I want to look and make sure the cover is proper. Okay. And I shall put the other cover, and this is how it will go on. That's it. So let's make sure they are almost the same. So I actually forgot my tie ropes, so I'm going to be putting one on now. So we can have this tie rope. I need to check it's proportionate. I'm just going to open this up a little, push this in here. I'm using my nails. We're going to set this aside to dry for a moment. Let's do our write-ups. The first one is I am enough. I am kind. I am loving, beautiful, kind to others. Always do the right thing. Front of our journal, right? And this is the first page. I am enough. You are enough. Beautiful. Let's do the right thing. And we have that over there. So the rest of the I ams, we're going to leave them blank. I am kind, I am loving. And so I'll put some glue on these washi tapes because I don't trust them 100%.